Let's go. From verse 1. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, and for his mercy endureth forever. Verse 2.
Let the redeemed of the Lord say so, whom he hath redeemed from the hands of the enemy.
And gather them out of the land, from the east, and from the west, from the north, and from the south.
They wandered in the wilderness in so strange way, they found no city to dwell in.
Hungry and thirsty, their soul fainted in them. 6.
Then they cried to the Lord in their trouble, and he delivered them from others.
And he led them forth by the right way, that they might go to a city of habitation.
Oh, that men would praise the Lord for his goodness, and for his wonderful works to the children of men.
For he satisfied the longing soul, and filled the hungry soul with goodness.
Such as sit in darkness and in the shadow of death, being bound in affliction and none.
Because they rebelled against the words of the Lord, and contemned the counsel of the Most High. 12.
Therefore he brought down their hearts with level, they fell down, and there was none to help.
Then they cried unto the Lord in their trouble, and he saved them out of their distresses. 14.
He brought them out of darkness and in the shadow of death, and brake their hearts in sunder.
Oh, that men will praise the Lord for his goodness and for his wonderful works to the children of men.
For he hath opened the gates of brass, and cut the bars of iron in sunder.
Fools because of their transgression, and because of their iniquities are afflicted. Verse 18.
Their souls are poured all manner of meat, and they are drawn near unto gates of death.
Then they cried to the Lord in their trouble, and he saved them out of their distresses. 20.
He sent his word and he healed them, and they delivered them from destruction.
Oh, that men will praise the Lord for his goodness and for his wonderful works to the children of men. 22.
And let them sacrifice his sacrifices of thanksgiving, and they declare his works with rejoicing.
They that go down to the sea in ships that do business in great waters. 24.
His sea was the word of the Lord, and his waters that they may prepare the city for his habitation.
And sow the fields and plant vineyards which may yield fruits of increase.
He blessed them also so that they had multiplied greatly, and they suffered not contact with it.
Again they are diminished and brought low through oppression, affliction, and sorrow. 40.
He poured condemns upon princes, and they caused them to wander in the wilderness.
Yet setteth me the poor on the high from affliction, and maketh his families like a flock. 42.
The righteous shall see it and rejoice, and all iniquity shall stop and mount.
43. Whoso is wise and will observe these things, even they shall understand the loving kindness of the Lord. Praise the Lord.